OTEC presents the future of finishing in Córdoba. We demonstrate the complete, automated workflow that solves the challenge of turning rough, complex cast or 3D printed designs into high-gloss perfection, efficiently and without compromising intricate detail. The jewelry surface treatment journey begins with the versatile Eco-Maxi. This machine uses magnetic pin brightening for precise inner contours. Next, mass finishing is applied using polymer media to perfectly smooth the surface and prepare it for the final stage. Then, the EF-Nova takes over. This intuitive machine makes high-gloss finishing accessible to every workshop. Using our LFP electrolyte, the final mirror shine is delivered at the push of a button. The process takes just 30 minutes, cutting manual labor by up to 90%. The result is stunning, perfect gloss and smoothing without rounding delicate settings. The EF-Nova protects your investment. It guarantees maximum gold recovery, operates completely cyanide-free, and delivers superior precision.